very nice. Hello, my name, I need to prepare my camera. Okay. Hello, my name is Martin Schweiger. I'm a partner attorney in Singapore, and today I'm at my motorbike dealer's place. You see, it's an industrial estate. Now you see him, Michael, in the background, and there's a food court over there. A food court. It's like a canteen, and here is a very naughty parrot. Very naughty parrot. And I need to tell you what I just saw. They get the cleanup. So this parrot is originally from Orchard Towers, and Orchard Towers is the discotheque area, which is now closed down. So the parrots there now have new homes, and this one is a very naughty parrot, because there was a woman coming from that direction, from here, and going to the canteen, right? And the woman is really not a beauty. So what this parrot did, saw the woman, and the woman walked by here, and then the parrot says, "Wow, you're so ugly," right? And then the woman, wow, is shocked, huh? Walks inside to see Michael, the owner of the parrot, and says, "Hey, your parrot outside, very naughty parrot, right?" And then he said that I'm so ugly. And so the Michael comes out and tells to the parrot, "You do that one more time, and I kill you." And the parrot, okay. The parrot here, look how he looks. And then next day, the auntie coming again from there, right? And the parrot looking at her, and the auntie walking, looking at him, and then comes closer, and then the parrot is very close, and the auntie also very close, and then he says, "I say nothing now, but you know exactly what I'm thinking, right?" I say nothing now, but you know exactly what I'm thinking. I say nothing, but I know exactly what you're thinking. That's so funny. By the way, there are even more parrots here. They're all from Orchard Towers. Many stories about these parrots, but next time. Goodbye.